Objects are one of the most important and useful tools in Planfix. Each one defines a specific task type within the system, such as a request or contract. In Planfix objects, you can configure actions that run automatically when predefined conditions are met. The actions themselves are managed through automated scripts. For instance, scripts can send notifications to customers, modify field values and request statuses, record different activities, and automate entire sequences of events. You can configure scripts independently for each object. Every script has two required fields, name and description. It also includes 5 main configuration sections. To configure the script, navigate to the first section and select the event that will trigger the script. This could be a field value changing, a task being created, a comment being added, or one of many other events. For example, let's select field value is modified and then choose status. The second section is where we will specify the conditions the task must meet. For example, status equals qualification. The script will run only when the selected event occurs and all specified conditions are met. Next, define the time frame for the script to run. The default option is immediately, but you can also specify a delay. Next, you can select whose name the script actions will be performed under. In most cases, a robot is selected. The fourth section is where you specify exactly what the script should do. For instance, it can automatically send an email, modify something, add something, or perform one of many other actions. For the purpose of this example, let's select Send Email. Now, either create a new email template or select an existing one. Next, specify the recipient, such as the counterparty. Once you select the sender, configure the settings that determine how the email will be added as a comment to the task. Now, as soon as a request moves to the qualification stage, the customer will automatically receive an email with an online test. You'll also see the corresponding message inside the request. Scripts can not only be launched automatically, but also manually using buttons. If you choose to use buttons, you can still configure them using a similar process. The main difference is that a button does not rely on a trigger event. Instead, you specify the conditions under which the button will be displayed and who is allowed to click it. When creating multiple buttons, you can easily combine them into a group. This is what a button group looks like inside a task. And that's it. Now you know the basics of creating and configuring scripts in Planfix. This is the foundation for automating virtually any business process. Define your own rules and get consistent, predictable results every time.